Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we have a little upgrade that we're showcasing on this absolutely gorgeous Porsche Macan S. So what have we actually added on today? Something called a Pro Fit Wedge Camera, so a reversing camera that's fully integrated into the factory display. On the vehicle, it being a new vehicle, it comes with a lovely interior, lovely dashboard. The vehicle does come with front and rear sensors, however, it is lacking that parking camera, but not anymore. What we've added on at the back of the vehicle, and this involves a full bumper removal to install this professionally and correctly. We've added in what's called a Pro Fit Wedge Camera. That camera run goes all the way to the front of the vehicle, and that goes into an integration box. So what it means is as soon as you select reverse, it automatically flicks over that beautiful screen and shows the crystal clear image of the Pro Fit Wedge Camera bang on down the center of the vehicle, but installed absolutely to perfection. Full vehicle gets pretty much stripped, a bumper off, glove box out, full side panels all off as well, all to run the cable professionally and correctly. And then all you basically see when the install is finished is that crystal clear image of what's behind you with the full moving guidelines. So you get active guidelines, pretty much exactly like you would have got from Porsche directly, and that camera looks absolutely amazing at the back of the vehicle. If you're interested in having this same solution added onto your vehicle, we need a few details from yourself. But all you need to do for now, drop us an email, give us a call, contact us. All of the info is in the description below. Contact us, we're more than happy to give you everything in a bit more detail and go through what we need from yourself if you're based a little bit further away and can't travel to us for the quote. So thank you again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.